In the city, the mayor now says we need to cover up when we go outside. It is a striking reversal. CBS 2's Dick Brennan has this.
It's a dramatic shift in guidance after weeks of authorities telling people that masks should only be used if people are sick or coughing. The city now says covering up your nose and mouth is the way to go.
It could be a scarf. It could be something you create yourself at home. It could be a bandana. It does not need to be a professional surgical mask. In fact, we don't want you to use the kinds of masks that our first responders need, that our healthcare workers need.
That's because there aren't enough masks to go around. President Trump says he'll also announce new voluntary regulations. The guidance comes as new studies say people without symptoms are transmitting the disease.
What that means is when you put on that face covering, you're protecting everyone else.
The homemade coverings could be reusable after a cleaning, according to the city's health commissioner, Dr. Oxides Barbeau.
What I recommend is that for these face coverings to be used for a day, and then you can hand wash them in soap and water, and that the important thing is that they dry completely.
The mayor says the city did not move earlier because the science just wasn't there yet. Should we have done this sooner?
In a perfect world, yes, we should have probably done this sooner.
Dr. Michelle Blackwood of RWJ Barnabas Health Rutgers says countries that went to masks early, like South Korea, got on top of the virus sooner. Will this effectively help people just, let's say, having a scarf across your face?
Quite frankly, anything that puts a barrier between you and particles is good. The problem is that the particles are extremely small, and it can get in between the scarf. The other thing is perhaps the scarf needs to be taken off correctly so that you don't spread it if it catches any particles.
The mayor says this is voluntary and there won't be any enforcement on covering up. He says he needs that for other priorities. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.